Very good evening to all of you. I hope you are all doing good. So, friends, today's session is all about idioms and phrases. So, in this session, I have taken 5 idioms. Okay, so we will try to understand the meaning of the idiom and how to memorize it. Also, we will try to understand that. So, आज के सेशन में हमने 5 idiom लिए हैं, ठीक है? So, हम इसको समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कि इसको हमको कैसे याद करना है और इसकी क्या मीनिंग है. So, let's start the session with the first one. First one is add insult to injury और add fuel to the fire. ठीक है, दोनों का बेसिक मीनिंग सेम ही है. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे टर्निंग अ बैड सिचुएशन इनटू a worse one with rude comment or action. ठीक है, let's try to understand this. Let's try to understand the first one, add insult to injury. Suppose किसी ने आपको फिजिकली हर्ट कर दिया है, ठीक है, somebody has hurt you physically, okay, and instead of helping you later that person is mocking you. ठीक है, उसको हेल्प करने की बजाय आपका वो मजाक उड़ा रहा है बाद में, तो वो क्या कर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग ओवर हियर, टर्निंग अ बैड मोमेंट इनटू द वर्स वन. ठीक है, another one, add fuel to the fire. Same thing. Suppose two friends are fighting for a broken toy, okay, and third person comes in and says that always he does it purposely, okay, so his comment is acting as a fuel to the fire. Okay, so and making the friends fight harder. Okay, so the basic the meaning of both the idioms are same. Okay, add insult to injury or add fuel to the fire. तो मीनिंग दोनों का ही सेम है, टर्निंग अ बैड सिचुएशन इनटू अ वर्स वन विद रूड कमेंट और एक्शन. आई होप इट्स क्लियर. Second one, always a bridesmaid, never a bride. Okay, so what is the meaning of this idiom? Someone who always comes second. Suppose you have a friend, okay, and she is running a bakery business. आपकी एक friend है और bakery का business चल रहा है उनका, ठीक है, and you are helping your friend in every thing, okay, from designing the recipes to decorating the cake, okay, and when the day comes for the final award, your friend gets the best baker award and you are just standing on the stage and clapping for her. You didn't get any award. ठीक है, so what you are doing here, okay, you are helping your friend to win, to shine, but your big moment never happens. हमेशा आप क्या सेकंड आते हो, आपका बिग मोमेंट आपका कभी भी नहीं होता है. ठीक है, सो द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस फ्रेज इज, this idiom is always a bridesmaid, never a bride, means someone who always comes second, though you are doing everything, okay, for others to win, to shine, okay, but your big moment never happens. Okay, थर्ड वन, ऑल ईयर्स. इसका क्या मतलब है इस इडियम का? लिसनिंग वेरी केयरफुली एंड पेइंग फुल अटेंशन टू व्हाट समवन सेज. Suppose you are walking in the park and your friend comes and says that I have something very important to tell you. And you say that, go ahead, I am all ears. So, what does it mean? That you please go ahead, you please continue. I am listening to you very carefully, very attentively. I am listening to you. So, all ears का क्या मतलब हुआ? Listening very carefully and paying full attention to what someone says. Fourth one, actions speak louder than words. What is the meaning of this? What you do is more important than what you say. So, what you do is whatever we are doing, okay? What you say is what? Words. What you do is what? Actions, okay? So, doing is more important what you say. Doing is more important than saying. Okay, so that's what it means. Actions speak louder than words. So what you do is more important than what you say. And the last one, at arm's length. So what does it mean? What is the meaning of this idiom? Avoiding too much closeness or keep some distance. Suppose a friendly stranger comes and tries to hug you on the street, okay, and you put your hand like this, you keep your hand out straight, and you block them. Why you are doing that? You are keeping your hand out like this, and you are keeping at an arm's length, keeping your personal space safe. Okay, so it means at an arm's length means avoiding too much closeness, because what you are trying to do when you are blocking your keeping your hand like this and blocking that person, what you're trying to do, you're trying to avoid too much closeness. okay, or keeping some distance. ओके, सो आई होप फ्रेंड्स आपको ये पांचों इडियम अभी समझ में आए होंगे। आई होप आपको ये सेशन अच्छा लगा होगा इन द सेंस आपको इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगा होगा, आपने कुछ सीखा होगा एंड आपको थोड़ा हेल्प मिली होगी इडियम्स को समझने में। सो एज आई ऑलवेज से, इफ यू आर लाइकिंग माई सेशंस इन द सेंस दैट यू नो इफ इट इज हेल्पिंग यू आउट, सो प्लीज डू लाइक, शेयर एंड कॉमेंट, एंड if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel as well. See you in the next session. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning. Bye bye, and take very good care of yourself.